What's up guys, this is Nick with Tint Depot, bringing you one of our latest and greatest tools. Right here I have in my hand this fine paddle squeegee. We are coining it the Blade Dozer. Everyone, welcome to the Blade Dozer. Now, I know that all y'all are familiar with our bulldozer. We have number 1, we have number 2, we have our red dozer and our wide dozer. I actually have those guys here on the table with us so you can kind of check them out. As you can see on the new Blade Dozer, we do have the same spine in the back, so it's going to keep that rigidity for you when you're really getting some oomph on this in that tight back glass, or maybe over the dash up front. We also have the same, you can see, ergonomic handle design. Fits in the hand real nice, lets you get that leverage on it. The really cool thing with the Blade Dozer here is that. Right here I have some 95 durometer blade squeegee with a nice little bevel on it. You can see that that pops in and out real easy, but I know when you're installing, you're using these guys a lot, you get those little burrs, those little nicks. This isn't working so well for installs anymore. It's leaving behind some water, causing issues. You take your new roll right here. I've already pre-cut a little piece off of the Fusion orange channel squeegee blade. Gonna pop that guy right in there. You can see it's got a nice snug little fit. You just work it down in there, give it a little press, boom, you're back up and running. You're gonna keep hitting those installs, you're gonna keep banging out those cars. So, just give y'all a little rundown on this. That's really all I have for you today. I'll see you on the next one.